Alrighty, guys. Well, word came down the pipeline. Guess what, guys? She declined. Okay, now I can understand why. I can see why. She just spent a lot of money at this other place. And I guess she's simply going to take it back. And they're going to do whatever I recommend it, okay? I don't know. But this is what drives mechanics crazy, okay? This is why you got an hour allocated for checkout time, guys. So be careful how you use that. Use that wisely. Don't spend a lot of time on something. But it's a double-edged sword, okay? Because if you don't spend enough time on it to figure out exactly what's wrong with it, that could burn you. If you do spend too much time on it, you want to be rewarded by actually doing the repair, because you put a lot into figuring out what was wrong with it. But that's why we have what we call checkout time in place, okay? Now, you may hear me say the same thing on another shorts, because I'm about to do a shorts on this very same topic, but they declined to work, so I got to put everything back together. In fact, I'm going to put this bad cord back on number 4, so when she take it to the other shop, I really don't know if I should help the other shop out, but I'm not like that. Okay, they technically didn't do anything wrong. They didn't build the part, okay? Yes, they got parts from a parts department, and this is what they received. But out of all of this, they look bad because they put this on, and now her car is having a problem. So I don't know how to explain that, but I do know I got to put it back together and bring it around. Customer declines. I wrote up the coolant leak. I wrote up the... Let me show y'all something. Now, what we say, 160,000 miles. Y'all see how black that is? It's not red, in other words. Never serviced it, guys. So she got other issues she's not even tending to. This thing gonna give us some transmission problem in the long run. Right now, the best thing you can do is to service it. This is a 41 TE. It has a filter you can replace. That's the best thing she can do, is save it. That will help prolong the life of the inevitable. It's gonna go out, but you can help prolong its life by servicing it. Some people don't catch that, but I gotta wrap this up and get this out of here, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Right, guys, Dodge Charger. Now I'm gonna need a witness on this, guys. Y'all see what I'm doing right here? Cat converter on bank 1. All right, P030420 maybe. I want y'all to see something, because I don't want to get blamed for this. I haven't even started on it yet, but when I'm in the process of looking things over, I want y'all to look at something. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see what's missing? Let me make sure y'all can see that. All right, it's a 4-bolt setup. One of the bolts or nuts or stud is missing right there, guys. I am not about to be blamed for that, I hope. Yeah, you can see the other end right here, so I can get to those. But in fact, I can get them all off. Hopefully enough studs sticking out where I can get it out. Notice this is a 2-piece right here, but what I'm putting on is essentially a 1-piece. Why didn't they split it up and make it? I don't know, man. Oh my goodness, I hope this don't give me no trouble, guys. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let y'all know what happened. Ready, guys, real quick. Y'all see what I'm doing. No big secret. Another high mileage Chrysler Pentastar with a 3.6 oil filter adapter housing. Y'all see that big old M on there? That's right, guys. Mopar or no carb. None of that German stuff over here. Anyway, guys, y'all see all of that? I'm gonna show y'all a before. Now, y'all see how I'm sucking this out? I'm curious to know how y'all get it out. Are y'all using the Mighty Vac? Yes, I have a Mighty Vac, and look at that. Sucking it right out, guys. I'm gonna show y'all how it look when I'm done. I want it squeaky clean. I know some of y'all are not really perfect like that, but I want mine clean, so I'm gonna go get some brake cleaner. Y'all take a look at it when I'm done. It's gonna be ooh, guys, do not forget, make sure y'all pay attention. Y'all see that O-ring that was left on here? Oh my goodness, do not double seal these. It'll be just like double sealing an oil filter. Stay tuned. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh, squeaky clean. This is the after. Y'all saw it before. No one cleans them better.